MT bathi uJive waze wakhohlwa mafans wakhe walala ku-event aperforma live anganamandla I'm straight powerless ngathi ushawe umphakathi yebo uyalala estage lo muntu uyalala and angongitshela ukuthi wena uthi ulaliswa yini bathi yini ma painkiller or uthi wena ulaliswa ma sleeping pill or ulaliswa alcophilics akunaphanando ngalalisa umuntu so kunento la idlako bathi ukhohle bathi uphaphama esekaphaphama wakhumbula ukuthi ngathi kumele ngicule wacula bangibuza 21 mibuzo angazonda ngedwa ngeke benze lutho ngoba la Abraham perhaps wow anganamandla and ubukhiwe wena awuhloniphi labantu lababhukhile awuhloniphi labalandeli bakho kudzala uyidla lento lelo uyidlayo yebo siyakubeketela ma South Africans siyakuthanda yebo asikwakucala ngiyalo lento ayicala ngokulalisa lento yacala yakhipha isi45 kudzala on the live Instagram sikhona sikubokile mfowethu lungisa impilo yakho otherwise tolandzela shebe shit perhaps wow
hayi ngoyele emthile bayibhukhile lapha amafene nawo lapha ama promoter lapha afuna ukubenefita ngoba bakhipha imali bamniki othi walala engqondo yathatha ijuve yadla phansi ilalime kanje Odwa uzi bodyguard lekuthi lo simboname kanje athi noze umuntu asinora athi drugs I want more pop imagine ama promoter lapha abhadala imali lapha bamaketa ukuthi uyeza amafana agezile aphethe ama iPhone 17 bawuthatha ivideo umuntu ukuthi nangu malale pipe lapha awona le country le nenkinga eziningi awona iDecember mayiphele siqale phansi mathathu siqale phansi hayi mayivale lento mayivale maye wafonela igirlfriend akwathe wala girlfriend nayi inyamazane yakho uyalala athi hayi mina ngumjwayele lo ukuthi ayifake after atalale phezulu kwami mangikhohlela iboom Impemisa no ngathi nayi somfaka isitokisini lapha ahlale nabo besta lapha nabo matala lapha nabo shebeshethe lapha bonke bahlale lapha sibabheke nje sibahlala lapha sike siba interview uthi amadoda kanti nani oyathi umbuze kusethi kade wodla ubuthongo lapha ulele athi nasi ulele ndadila iminyawuphela nebhema madoda nehlanyiswa imali yama-bookings umuntu vele aye awuhloniphi nama-fan awuhloniphi nama-promote abantu abakulethela isinkwa etafuleni wena vele nje ulale nje athi lale wazazichamela abathi igafeta kuthi sengumjayelo mina lengubo yazichamela athi nje sengihlalele imali arakithi bengayikhetha sekivulete fela chelet ara wampalama mthaketha abayikhaleka urumak alishtelena lembhemesa lo mbaya ngoba lento ayibhemaile inzima imenza ukuthi awushaye into zabo olost lala me ewe ngomoshi imali ama-promoter nalabazokubizela ukuthi uyolala uyasichamela lapha esitejini uyalala ngakhathele ukucula madoda yekale nonsense leniyenzayo.
Sanibonani guys, naniyazi ukuthi mina ngibona kwama-screen enu kusho ukuthi nginiphethe isigaxa sendaba. Guys, so this weekend u-MT ube ne-performance ne. Hayibo umuntu bamkhokhelile obvious ukuthi ezoperform and stuff. Ma-fans are happy because yabo nje we know she love Monday nje macula akhe nje sonke sijabulile ukuthi ya Did MT not go there? Lala stage, son. Laliana, like he literally, and as is kanje. Elele ubone ukuthi lo muntu lona mfethu uphelile manje asazi noma yilini noma asazi ukuthi inkinga ikephi, but a lot was going on ngale performance yakhe, and to a point where, sorry about that guys, ngithole call. So abantu manje bathi, should we cancel him ku-MT? Hey guys, anyways, asazi cela simsizeni mhlawumbe kumele simbizele uMr Moloto. I think that's the only way ukuthi ebizele uMr Moloto, because what is this?
Mina bafethu personally, I don't judge umuntu bafethu because awumazi ukuthi udila nani, ubhekana nani on a daily basis, yabo lonto le asazi bafethu. And I've never had anyone close to me onenkinga or addiction yama drugs or anything like that, so I can't even judge based on that. But whatever MT is going through, I just feel sorry for abantu abasondelene naye, because at this rate bafethu, let's be honest, if we bonile le video lela we background yam MT na nje fethu shut down on stage during a performance. MT before was accused ukuthi uthanda ilini or I think nensango, yabona, and yona nto abebhema kakhulu, and ibimenza abe slow, yabo lonto leyo ubone ukuthi ugofti phethu, yabo. And we would see that kuma shows mhlawumbe kuma podcasts or izinto like ama interviews and stuff like that, bombona ukuthi hayi uhigh, and kusho ukuthi kusoyiqinisile makuthiwa insango nezinto ezikanjalo nolini ziyistepisi sokuthi ugcina usufike kwizinto ejule kakhulu njengonyawo. Mina I'm not gonna lie to you, I've never done izinto njengama drugs onyawo kanje, but ngihlezi ngiyibona even esithawa everywhere wenza exactly lento kade yenziwa uLokhuzana we-MT stage. Mfethu ushut it down emini ngaba ushut it down awuwi, kodwa uyabona ukuthi lo muntu lona mfethu utsheke to a point of ukuwa, but angazi niyayazi bafethu engikhuluma ngayo, I'm sure nike niyibona, yabo. Hence ngithi mina akukwazi ukuthi mfethu ngayintsanga noma ngaseyona ke inyawophe or ihunga, but i-drugs heavily akuseyona nje mfethu lean or insango le akukwazi. Abafana basemlazi nakamashi bayidlilini bayibhema inkantina, angeke ubafice benza kanje, hayi ngeke. So nje bafethu, hayi mina I feel bad for umndeni wakhe because lo muntu ubaba fethu, he's destroying his own career fethu, he really is. Yazi ngabe uthola ngisho ama brand deals fethu into ezifana nalezo, bas kanjani makunje bafethu, akekho ngisho yedwa bafethu ungaphumela obala nje bese amsize bafethu, ngeke. It's bad.
Yazi bafethu, MT is not supposed to be trending for such nonsensical stuff. He's not. Nonsense phela le. This guy is easily top 10 greatest SA hip hop artist of all time, dead or alive. Top 10 easy. That's how good this guy. Yabona, if ungakholwa logo, I need you to think back to that 2015 to 2018 run by MT. That 2015 to 2018 run by MT will always be goated. Legendary stuff. Akusunoma ubani who can have that kind of a run. Young Bump. And Namanja is still relevant. The only guy who can perform ingoma azenza 10 years ago and still has the crowd jumping. Right? But then to see him trending for such nonsense, akungiphathi kahle kakhulu. And I see abanye they are insinuating that MT is on drugs. I don't think MT the hustler is on drugs. I just think he fatigued. But the people around him did him a huge disservice, because if ubone ukuthi out ayikho mnandi ukuthi ngayogibela stage, why would you allow him to go do that? Ngiyazi mhlambe sekukhokhiwe, kodwa I'm sure imali ingabusele move kunokuthi umoshakale i-reputation. Reputation is very important bafana. It's very important to have a good reputation, young bam. The reason why ngithi fatigue and it's not drugs is because I saw clips of him performing earlier on another event. And you be right, the crowd was jumping, the performer bekumnandi, and then for this particular event, trend le video yakhe lela angekho right khona stage yabo. So fingers crossed ukuthi umfana grand, fingers crossed ukuthi abe grand naye abe right yabo, because le goats le bafana. Goats le bafana, and he's not supposed to be trending for such stuff. Nah, not the hustler.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Uyatrenda MT The Hustler ngemva kokuthi aperforme lapha ePretoria, athi uyaperforma umbone ukuthi ulele uyadonsa akanamandla, uva ngathi angaquleka, umile. Bobona nje nokuthi ukhohliwe kokuthi ukuphi uyaperforma kwendakalana. And I'm actually disappointed at my managers or imanager yakhe, because umvumela njani umuntu lo nje ukuthi ayoperforma. I really don't understand my artist anyalo ukuthi awanawo yini my manager, because yabona nje usibadendela batiphilela, they don't care, boshe bethi badubula abantu bagwaza abantu. Ithini manager yakho mawenda wonke lo msangano lo? People are so disappointed at uMT basho nje ukuthi hayibo lo mfana kwendakalani kahle kahle ngaye. I-record label yakhe ikhiphe statement yesterday isho ukuthi yaqolisa, but what happened ngalesikhani uMT yaperforma, it was fatigue, and people are saying ukuthi what? Some people are just saying ukuthi akabitelwe Mr. Muloto ngilolanza abantu lababulawa titsakamiva lababhema titsakamiva, kuthiwa nje akabitelwe Mr. Muloto amise rehab. Sama saying ukuthi akahloniphi ma-fans akhe, kungani ahamba yongena stage aqula abatibona ukuthi akakhoni nokuma uluku yalala lapha abantu bamshutha. Ayibo hlazo lelingaka, bantu nje bathakayekele lo mfana titsakamiva. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.